As the perfect combination of intelligence and technology, wearable devices have a bright future. A large number of advanced devices have been emerging in recent years. Multifunctional wearable devices are popular among youngsters. Many smartwatch manufacturers want to be more competitive in this promising market. As a wearable brand, DTNO.1 stands out in the industry with the all-in-one mode consisting of excellent design, independent software development, high-quality production, and sales. Shenzhen Shinkeying Technology Company Limited, founded in 2012, is located in the frontier city of high-tech industry in Shenzhen. With more than 100 invention and technology patents at home and abroad, DTNO.1 is a modern high-tech company integrating design, research, production, and sales of smart wearable devices. DTNO.1 has gathered hundreds of elites from well-known universities and technical experts globally, establishing sophisticated R&D laboratories to provide strong technical support for product development and production, provide software and hardware solutions and OEM and ODM services for global customers. Shinkeying takes R&D and design as the core, winning the hearts of users all around the globe with its stylish design over the past 10 years. On the path to exploring the art of wearable devices, DTNO.1 tries its best to master every expectation from customers, regardless of business style, leisure style, sports style, and women's affordable luxury style. We customize smartwatches fit for customers' aura by our understanding of beauty and expression of design ideology. DTNO.1 is a brand of Shinkeying Company and has a number of patents in structural design. The independent software R&D team has developed all kinds of operation systems and firmware for the DT series smartwatches and provides app customization services, from demands confirmation and solutions planning to prototype design and front-end to back-end development, bringing customers in-depth technical and products experience. Based on industry traits of different companies, DTNO.1 empowers their brand's promotion by providing customization in laser engraving, package box, and logo for one-stop services. DTNO.1 has first-class intelligent factories nationwide. From traditional watch manufacturing to modern intelligent factories, we persist to upgrade our craftsmanship in smartwatch manufacturing, consecutively improve our factory's intelligence level, and stick to technology to lead innovation for greater success. DTNO.1 strictly demands itself in each process of production and improve products' quality to build a top smartwatch brand. Each product has to go through multiple testing procedures during an experiment, such as battery quality testing, multiple waterproof testing, constant temperature, static electricity, and other testing processes. All products have attained 3C, CE, RoHS, REACH, UN 38.3, FCC, UKCA, and other certifications. DTNO.1 persists in self-developed chips and screens for helping the high-quality development of the intelligent industry and improving the product influence. DTNO.1 emphasizes product quality. All production standard processes of DTNO.1 have passed ISO 9001 management certification, which assures every consumer can feel a sense of fashion and safety from the moment they wear a smartwatch from DTNO.1. DTNO.1 is full of pride and determined to grow, take honesty as the foundation, devote itself to innovation, for providing high-quality services to customers globally